Struthers, nauna na, final. Oh, hard foul mula kay Vince Season.
And Struthers again down on the floor, not reacting to the hard contact by Vince Season, which will be his 5th personal foul.
Ito yung huling play. Talagang hindi niya papabayaan yan si Vince Season laban kay Lamont Struthers.
Partner, a big swing here because kung naka-score yung Ginebra San Miguel kanina, that lead would have been brought down to just 3 points. Lamont Struthers
Sapal!
for 6 points in 4 seconds.
Oh, that's a big block mula kay Asaytono. Dadagdag pa niya. Oh! Tomahawk dunk para kay Nelson Asaytono.
Meron pa siya shoulder stick. Ball, ito na naman, offensive rebound.
Pero wala. And no foul as well. Ginebra ngayon na may dala. Pino Harenzo, inilabas. Cofield for 3. Wala. Offensive rebound. Harenzo, wala pa rin. Nelson Asaytono, laban kay EJ File. Sapal! Pero yung tatikal, bumalik kay EJ File.
Oh, what action. Crowd here in an uproar.
David
At wala na naman.
Oh, ang pasa. Buntik ng mga foul. Cofield, nalusutan si Struthers. Masyado malakas ang tira. At may loose ball foul na itatawag. Uy, si Nelson Asaytono. Huli ka, sabi ni referee De Leon.
Asaytono.
Lumuhod na.
Deflecting. Parang inaapin niya yung kanyang yung tawag na yun.
Ito yung huling play. Binabox out ni Nelson Asaytono si Marlu. May konting hawi sa kaliwa. In action. Here's a fall away. Dinipensahan ni Fred Cofield. No foul. It hits the backboard. Aydik, laban kay Gayoso. Inaatrasan si Gayoso. Oh, ang ganda naman ang galaw ni Triggerman.
Oh, and here's a steal once more.
And there will be a foul on J.P. Gayoso. Another sloppy inbound play, Kinito.
Yes, too many lapses in concentration by Ginebra San Miguel. And again, 2 straight inbound errors. Easily picked off. And Gayoso. Gayoso has not been his usual self in this game, giving up too many useless fouls, and now he'll be called for a deliberate foul. He will sit out 3 minutes.
Alam mo, kita naman yung Kinito. It was uncalled for. Medyo sinadya na niya talagang binigyan ng clothesline si Lamont Struthers on that pick sa baseline.
One thing about Lamont Struthers, he had a momentary reaction to that bad foul by J.B. Gayoso, but he held himself back and did not explode.
Yan po yung ating contestant dito sa ating isa sa mga palaro dito sa loob ng Cuneta Astrodome, si Valerie. And she made the basket. Well, right now, ang Ginebra, hinahanap yung basket na yon. Dahil sila ay down by 2 as we begin the 4th quarter. At dito sa pagpapasimula, may foul na ibinigay si Art de la Cruz laban kay Fred Cofield.
Partner, talking about Fred Cofield in the 3rd period, only 5 points.
And the scoring by quarters, ang laki ng 3rd quarter para sa San Miguel Beer. In-outscore nilang Ginebra by 10 in that quarter alone. Samantala, Fred Cofield, jump shot, yes!
He needed that basket. Cofield only 2 out of 7 in the 3rd period, and was hounded by San Miguel Beer's defense.
Patuloy na San Miguel Beer continuing with that big lineup of theirs. Nelson Asaytono, laban kay EJ File. Hinamon, masyadong malakas, pero offensive rebound na naman ang San Miguel Beer.
This is really what's hurting San Miguel. Yung second chance points that they're giving up. Oh, almost pumasok pa yung bola. Ito na naman, offensive rebound.
Pero wala. And no foul as well. Ginebra ngayon na may dala. Pino Harenzo, inilabas. Cofield for 3. Wala. Offensive rebound. Harenzo, wala pa rin. Nelson Asaytono, laban kay EJ File. Sapal! Pero yung tatikal, bumalik kay EJ File.
Oh, what action. Crowd here in an uproar.
David, wala na naman. Oh, ang pasa. Buntik ng mga foul. And what action we're seeing here, Kinito.
Yes, a lot of contact not being called by the referees. A lot of let-go situations.
Both,
yes, both sides. Ito na si Struthers, 1-on-1 move. Falling away. No ankle in that shot. Good defense. And Asaytono will give up the foul.
Sabi ng Asaytono, pagod na ako. Pigilin naman natin ang aksyon. Here's a fall away. Dinipensahan ni Fred Cofield. No foul. It hits the backboard.
Ang dikit ng depensa ni Fred Cofield, ha? Even on that fadeaway of Lamont Struthers, Cofield stayed chest to chest with Lamont Struthers.
At ang fans dito sa Cuneta Astrodome, hindi po ika nga umuusot ng kahit na konti. Offensive rebound si Marlo Aquino naman. You know, it looks like Asaytono is maybe a little bit tired now, Finito, ha?
Could be. At hindi niya na i-box out si Marlo Aquino in that situation. Of course, the Twin Towers now play for Ginebra San Miguel. Alan Kaidik.
May foul na binigay si EJ File. Number 2 on EJ File. By the way, mga kaibigan, bago natin makakalimutan, after this semifinals matchup ng PBA Governors Cup, panoorin naman si Marvelous Marvin Hagler ay paglalaban ng kanyang middleweight championship laban kay Manos de Piedra, si Roberto Duran sa Super Bouts ngayong gabi. Dito lang po sa VTV, MIBC. Samantala, another foul. This time it will be on JV Gayoso, Tina.
Yes, JV Gayoso called for the foul. Alan Kaidik not even set up for that play. He wasn't even involved in that play. Kaya sinasay ng Ginebra San Miguel ang kanilang team fouls, giving up too many useless fouls for San Miguel. Oh, beautiful entry pass.
Uy, ang hirap naman tirang yun. Tinapik kay Alan Kaidik. Libre, yes! By the way, bumalik na si Vince Season. Finito. And Vince Season sat out most of that third dahil may 4 na personal fouls.
Yes, an expectation, of course, ni Coach Robert Jaworski. Ito si Vince Season will contribute not only in offense but also in defense. Earlier, he played good defense on Lamont Struthers.
Cofield, nalusutan si Struthers. Masyadong malakas ang tira. At may loose ball foul na itatawag. Uy! Si Nelson Asaytono. Huli ka! Sabi ni referee De Leon.
Asaytono
Lumuhod na.
deflecting. Parang inaapin niya yung kanyang yung tawag na yun.
Ito yung huling play. Binabox out ni Nelson Asaytono si Marlu. May konting hawi sa kaliwa. At siya'y tinawagan ng kanyang pangalawang personal foul. Samantala, no basket even if it had gone in. May foul sa ilalim ni Guido Babilonia. Third foul ni Guido. Ngayon naman ang San Miguel Beer ang kapit-kapit ng fouls. They have 14 fouls now.
Still a lot of time left in this ball game. 9-13. And San Miguel Beer, as you mentioned, already with 14 fouls. Ito si EJ Foul. Scoring position.
Wala yung tira niya. And another good box out mula kay Nelson Asaytono. Hindi nakuha ni Marlo Aquino yung follow-up. Lamont Struthers, nagmamadali. Nakalusot kay EJ. Binomba, wala. Tapik niya, wala pa rin. Asaytono, kinalawit. One fake. He goes underneath. Ang lalim. Inilabas kay Guido. Yes!
Oh yes, Alan Kaidik with a steal off the inbound. Kitang-kita yon, Kaidik. Lurking in defense.
And this is still a long ways to go. Guido Babilonia, libre na naman. Mintis. Rebound, napunta kay Marlu.
Only red shirts that time.
Dalawa lang po ang abante ng San Miguel Beer. 8:25 pa po ang nalalabi dito sa ating huling yugto. And we've seen everything but the finish here, Kinito.
Yes, two-man, strong side game. File and Cofield. Eto na, si JV Gayoso open for a jump shot. Worked that play to perfection.
Unang 2 puntos ni JV Gayoso. And it's back to a tied ball game, 71-all. Kaidik, laban kay Gayoso. Inaatrasan si Gayoso. Oh, ang ganda naman ang galaw ni Triggerman.
Oh, and here's a steal once more.
And there will be a foul on JV Gayoso. Another sloppy inbound play, Kinito.
Yes, too many lapses in concentration by Ginebra San Miguel. And they cannot take San Miguel Beer's defense lightly. Always looking to steal off the inbound. And that speaks of lack of discipline on the part of Ginebra San Miguel. Kanina binigkitan natin yan in the sense that hindi masyadong bumababa sa depensa yung Ginebra San Miguel. And again, 2 straight inbound errors. Easily picked off. And Gayoso. Gayoso has not been his usual self in this game, giving up too many useless fouls, and now he'll be called for a deliberate foul. He will sit out 3 minutes.
Alam mo, kita-kita naman yung Kinito. It was uncalled for. Medyo sinadya na niya talagang binigyan ng clothesline si Lamont Struthers on that pick sa baseline.
One thing about Lamont Struthers, no? He had a momentary reaction to that bad foul by JB Gayoso, but he held himself back and did not explode.
Tandaan natin ito sila Lamont Struthers prior to the start of this Governor's Cup. Nagkaroon na siya ng insidente dun sa kanilang pre-season. Nakabangga niya si Jack Tanuan at si yung isang tiga Mobiline na talagang ika nga nagbigay sa kanya ng leksyon.
At saka si Struthers also was involved some kind of altercation with Ginebra San Miguel in an exhibition.
Ayun, ayan.
Panuloy natin yun.
Kita mo talagang halos dinibdiban no?
There was a momentary reaction on the part of Lamont Struthers, but you notice as soon as he picked himself up, he immediately turned his back and walked away.
Yan po si JB Gayoso. He will have to sit out for at least 3 minutes. 2 for 2 si Lamont Struthers dun sa deliberate foul at bola pa ng San Miguel Beer.
Well, you might say instead of helping out the cause of Ginebra San Miguel, ito si JB Gayoso even damaged the cause.
Alan Kaidik, mas maliit na yung bumabantay at 7 na, or rather 6 na ang abante ng Ginebra, or rather San Miguel Beer with only 7.5 remaining. Marami pang oras yan, pero
Yes.
with the way Ginebra is playing, parang nawawalan sila ng focus dito.
Yes, nag-iinit na si Alan Kaidik, and of course, that is bad news for Ginebra San Miguel because once you have the locals get involved, it's going to be good news for San Miguel Beer. DJ File might have traveled, San Miguel Beer calling for a violation. Walang tawag ang referee.
Well, tila halata yun dahil mukhang humakbang talaga. Oh, nakalusot na naman si Alan Kaidik. Umangat na naman. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni EJ File. Binigay kay Pito Arenzo. They're down by 4. Marlo Aquino. Tuloy-tuloy kay Babilonia. Wala. Yung follow-up niya pasok. And the lead is down to 2.
Marlo Aquino in a position to get back the ball. Offensive tip back.
This is a classic. Kaidik sa kanto. Wala. Offensive rebound. Babilonia.
Ayan na naman ang sinasabi natin kanina pa, San Miguel Beer lording it over both boards, particularly in the offensive boards.
Alam mo partner, ito labanan ng offensive follow-ups ito ha. Yung points off the offensive rebounds. Dahil kanina nakita natin si Marlo. Ngayon naman si Babilonia.
Yes, and the big men showing what they can do close to the basket.
Iniikot ang bola. Good ball movement. Dizon na libre. Mintes. And rebound mula kay Lamont Struthers. A total of 19 boards now para kay Lamont.
Nakakalutod si Lamont Struthers to get those rebounds despite the fact that si File at saka si Marlo Aquino are playing for Ginebra. Struthers from the outside.
At hindi na makakaintay ang Ginebra San Miguel. Lamont Struthers exploding. They're on top by 6. We have a timeout. During that timeout, pinasok si Noli Locsin para sa Ginebra San Miguel. Samantalang si Ives Tignadice naman ay pinaltan si Alan Kaidik.
Partner Locsin and Hison, because of foul problems, not contributing at all to the Ginebra offense dito sa second half, and they combined for 19 points in the first half. But now they're back on the floor.
EJ File. Turnaround. Wala. Asay Tono nakakuha ng rebound.
Ang layo ng tira ni EJ File.
Hindi niya tira yun.
Oo, that was not in his comfort zone.
5.5 po ang nalalabi sa ating final quarter. San Miguel Beer on top by 6. Pagkatapos na lumamang ang Ginebra ng as much as 14 in this ball game. Asay Tono pinilit. Pumasok!
Partner, kanina, we were talking about the lack of motion in the offensive pattern of San Miguel Beer. Ngayon, nakikita natin, all 5 players moving constantly, especially without the ball.
And this is one prime example of that. Kinito, nabanggit mo rin during the halftime break na kailangan ng local scoring para sa San Miguel Beer. Well, nakuha nila, partner. 12 points na si Alan Kaidik, 15 na si Nelson Aceitono, 6 si Art de la Cruz at 5 si Frankie Lim. And most of those points nagawa nila dito sa second half.
Yun ang kailangan ng San Miguel Beer to give firepower support for Lamont Struthers.
Fred Cofield trying to put on the move. Tumira siya. Wala. Rebound na tapik kay Noli Locsin. Ipilit niya. Pinasa kay EJ File. Malapit. Wala pa rin.
AJ File from point blank range. Nagkaroon na ng pasa. They went for the high percentage shot. At hindi pa naipasok ni AJ File yung tira niya. Pero kanina si Fred Cofield that taking matters into his own hands. And that's not a good sign for Ginebra San Miguel. Because it looks like Ginebra is panicking at this stage.
Yes.
It's still an 8-point lead. Certainly manageable with 4:44 to go. At ang consultant ng San Miguel Beer, si Ron Jacobs, halos kinakain na ang kanyang mga daliri.
Well, shouting instructions from that angle. Samantala, may timeout naman ng San Miguel Beer. Muli po kami nagagalak na makasama kayo, lalong-lalo na ang ating mga kaibigan sa Kabisayan, sa Cebu City, sa Bacolod, at sa lahat ng dako ng Pilipinas. Oh, Lamont Struthers patuloy na pumupuhos ang puntos. And he gets a foul to put. Laban kay EJ File, pangapat na yan ni EJ File.
Akala ko ba ito si Lamont Struthers? Meron siyang nakaramdaman na sakit sa kanyang natuhod. Ha? And of course, he certainly knows how
Kumawari
to
lang
go
yun.
around the defense of EJ File. Hahanap siya ng anggulo. He will take him strong to the hoop. But he will not shoot over File. He will find the angle. And he got it in that move to the hoop.
38 points para kay Lamont Struthers.
Parker,
And-
yung isang kulang na kulang. Yes, you were saying, Parker.
Well, don't look now, it's an 11-point lead, Kinito.
Yes, yung isang kulang na kulang sa Ginebra San Miguel, yung kanilang passing game.
Oo.
Of course, this is the league's lowest passing team, meaning to say, sila ang ranked dead last in the assist department. Halos wala silang pasahan, masyadong kanya-kanyang biyahe.
Kita mo
Ano
naman
nangyari?
ang kalawit na yan, oh.
Yes, and Nelson Azartona playing very inspired.
Alam mo, nabanggit mo dito sa top of the coverage that this will be a big man's series. Well, right now, tila na-outplay ng big men. Although hindi kasi lakihan ng Ginebra San Miguel, pero yung big men ng San Miguel, ang Ginebra San Miguel.
Well, yung isang sinabi din natin sa top of the coverage, no? That Ginebra San Miguel to win must control the boards. They have not been able to do that in this game. Parang kulang sa intensity sa rebounding department itong Ginebra San Miguel.
Pero hindi pa naman natin sinusulat ng lapida ng Ginebra dito sa lalong ito. Pero with an 11-point lead, pwede pang dagdagan ni Nelson Azartono. Less than 4 minutes remaining. Ano ang hinahanap ng Ginebra? Ika nga na magiging panulak sa kanila dito sa huling dito.
Palagay ko, spark. Number one, they need some spark in offense. Palagay ko, Fred Cofield and Vince Season should be able to provide that spark. And maybe Baldavid, who's now checking in for EJ File, who has had a terrible game.
Nakita natin si Sonny Jaworski kanina, ngayon si Ives Lignadice. Of course, Sonny Jaworski has always been an inspiration. It doesn't seem like he's gonna come in at any point. Samantala, isa na namang timeout para sa Ginebra San Miguel. Foul given up by Lamont Struthers. Nasa 3:46 mark na po tayo ng fourth quarter at 12 ang abante ng San Miguel Beer.
Only 3 fouls for Lamont Struthers. That's team foul number 6 for San Miguel Beer. Kanina nakita natin ito si Fred Cofield going one-on-one on Lamont Struthers. Hindi na siya pumapasa. He's just looking straight at the hoop to score some points.
Nakita natin si Noli Locsin, 10 points in the first half. Bokya pa dito sa second half. Si Vince Season, 9 points in the first half. Bokya rin dito sa second half. At yan ay dahil sa nagkaroon sila ng 4 na personal fouls early in the third period.
O kaya kami instructed si Coach Robert Jaworski to trap the ball carrier And that forced the turnover situation because Babylonia put the ball on the floor, not used to that role.
Malayo pa to, partner. 10 lamang yan. Alam natin ang finishing kick nitong Ginebra San Miguel.
Well, yung spark, yun ang sinasabi natin na kailangan ng Ginebra San Miguel. And that could come from Vince Hizon or Fred Cofield or Paul David. Here's a 3-point shot.
Like it. 3 and 18 remaining.
Partner, na-check din ito si Fred Cofield, the Lamont Brothers, dito sa second half.
Well, si Fred Cofield, 10 lamang ang nagawa dito sa second half. Only 4 points so far dito sa fourth period.
Nasa ito, no?
No foul. Season ngayon. Binigay kay Paul David. Noli Locsin. Lulis itong si Guido Babilonnia. Nasa ilalim. Ang hirap niyan! Itis, offensive rebound. Pero bago yun, may loose ball foul na tinawag no basket.
Now Ginebra will go back to the stripe for the free throws off the loose ball foul.
Grabe itong tira. Uy, tumapak.
Yes.
Tumapak, ha? Hindi nakita ng referee yun.
Actually, meron ding forearm ward off. Ito si,
yun pa,
ito si Noli Locsin. Before stepping on the end line.
Uy, bukol-bukol yung mga hindi nakita ng referee doon.
Yes. Kitang-kita yun sa ating giant screen.
Alam kay Dick, had a good fourth quarter.
Take a look at the free throws of Noli Locsin. 0 out of 3, make that 1 out of 4. Bonus yun for Ginebra San Miguel because a clear stepping violation of Noli Locsin not called. Here's the pressure defense.
Look at the big advantage ng San Miguel Beer, partner. 17 yan.
Yes, too big an advantage in the rebounding department by San Miguel Beer.
Siya po ang abante ng San Miguel Beer na agawan. Si Nelson Acetono, Vince Hizon, hinahabol pero nakalusot na, tinaktak pa. And the lead is down to 7. 2:27 remaining at ang Ginebra coming up with its last pitch stand. Muli magandang gabi po Pilipinas. Noli Yala po kasama si Ginito Henson. At ang huling 2 minuto at 26 na saglit na lang po dito sa ating Ginebra San Miguel Beer game. 7-point lead para sa Beermen. Babylonia binigay kay Lamont Brothers.
We're looking to trap.
10 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Kay Dick. Wala makita papasahan na agawan. Pakit ni Paul David. Paul David pa rin. He goes all the way. Force shot. And Acetono picks up the loose ball. Oh, that's with a big basket. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by Tanduay Gold, the premium rum.
2 straight steals by Paul David. Yun nga lang, the second steal did not end up in a finished basket.
Ang San Miguel Beer ngayon, nag-uubos na ng orasan. Acetono, finger roll, sapal ni Marlo Aquino. Vince Hizon na may dala ng bola. Plays live. Noli Locsin, laban kay Babylonia. Binanda, yes! And it's just a 5-point ball game, Ginito.
A good pass coming from Marlo Aquino. Good recognition on his part to put the ball in the hands of Noli Locsin.
Hindi pa tapos ang boxing. Kay Dick, 3-point shot. Wala! Rebound, Cofield. Cofield, 3. Hindi, pinasa. Marlo Aquino, medyo nawalan ng footing. Locsin, pinagulong. Wala, rebound, Babylonia. Oh, that's a big rebound para kay Guido.
A monster rebound by Guido Babylonia.
Lamont Brothers, nauuna na, final. Oh, hard foul mula kay Vince Hizon.
And Brothers again down on the floor, not reacting to the hard contact by Vince Hizon, which will be his 5th personal foul.
Ito yung huling play. Talagang hindi niya papabayaan yan si Vince Hizon laban kay Lamont Brothers.
Partner, a big swing here because kung naka-score yung Ginebra San Miguel kanina, that lead would have been brought down to just 3 points. But Guido Babylonia hauling down the rebound, preventing a second opportunity for Ginebra San Miguel in its offense.
Alam niyo po, San Miguel Beer has been to the finals ng third conference Dalawang beses in the last 3 years. They were there last year. They were there in 1993. In fact, they won in 1993. Samantalang Ginebra San Miguel has been to the semis of all 3 conferences sa isang season for the first time since 1988.
A major comeback here by San Miguel Beer. Kanina nakita natin, down by 8 at the half. San Miguel Beer waking up.
Pangalawa ni Lamont Brothers Mintis. This is just a 6-point lead. Dalawang possession ball game.
Looking for a 3-point shot, and there's Cofield. Wala na naman.
Offensive rebound. Locsin. Apat ang abante ng San Miguel Beer. 48 seconds remaining.
Depensa ang kailangan ng Ginebra San Miguel. Still in the backcourt. And they've crossed the timeline.
Brothers. A dribble. Muntik na mabitawan.
Walang foul. They're not giving up the foul.
Bangga si Frankie Lim. Asaitono, one fake. Yes!
Inabot
What a
lang
move.
sa goal. Yes. Nelson Asaitono.
Alan San Miguel Beer looking good. They're looking for their first win. 29 seconds remaining. May timeout ang Ginebra San Miguel. Only 29 seconds remaining, mga kaibigan. Inbound. Bola po ng Ginebra San Miguel. Naghahabol sila ng 6 na puntos. Kinito. Kaya pa kung sa kaya.
Oh yes, well kanina nakita natin at the end of the first half, Lamont Struthers shot
Sapal!
for 6 points in 4 seconds.
Oh, that's a big block
Oh,
mula kay
yes.
Asaitono. Dadagdag pa niya. Oh! Tomahawk dunk para kay Nelson Asaitono.
Meron pa siya shoulder stick. Kinakaya ni Nelson Asaitono. Yung mga imports dito sa third conference.
He's on.
And he's on, I think, his first 2 points of the entire second half.
Actually, that typifies what happened dito sa second half sa Ginebra San Miguel. Nawala ng local contribution. Kagaya na nangyari sa San Miguel noong first
Exactly.
half. Ha?
At saka they gave up too many fouls, particularly in the third period when they racked up a total of at least 12 team fouls sa pagkakabilang natin. And too many free throws given up by Ginebra San Miguel because of entering into the penalty situation too early.
Well, ang San Miguel Beer, mga kaibigan, only that much time remaining before registering their first win. Kanina po sa ating first game, nagwagi ang Alaska Milk laban sa Formula Shell Super Unleaded 102-83 na blowout. At ika nga nagkaroon na ng abante rin ng Alaska Milk going for their Grand Slam this year. Samantala, ang San Miguel Beer looking good, Kinita.
Yes, well, partner nito si Coach Norman Black realizing that he was handicapped here because of manpower. Wala nga si Samboy Lim. I think what he asked for his team was to simply give it their all underneath the boards and let that rebounding dominance translate into a better flow in offense and in defense. Ayun ang nangyari.
Jackie, 20-second timeout ang tinawag ng Ginebra San Miguel. Inubusan na kanilang timeout. Ang San Miguel Beer still has one more full timeout. At alam mo, Kinito, maraming na sorpresa dito sa performance ng San Miguel Beer. Let's listen in. Tingnan natin makukuha natin sa Sunny Doors.
You use the curl where? Ha? Boom. Then feed go to that corner. Okay? Val, clear out towards the side. Noli pwede niya. Pasa agad. Now look. Stick to your man right away.
Alam mo, nakakapagtaka dito, Kinito, si Sunny Jaworski has hardly reacted in this ball game. Yung talagang vehement.
Matamlay.
Oh.
Parang kulang sa intensity ng Ginebra San Miguel, particularly in the second half when San Miguel Beer started to go at full throttle. Tsaka yung malaking bagay din yung depensa ni Struthers on Fred Cofield. Cofield really wasn't able to extricate and execute. Kulang sa leadership ni Ginebra San Miguel sa backcourt, and Cofield was not able to provide that in this game.
May foul na namang ibinigay with only 2.5 seconds remaining. Si Cofield ang tinawagan ng foul. Again, yung foul na yan ang crippling dito, Kinito. At
Yes.
tandaan natin yung 4 fouls ni Hazon, 4 fouls ni Lonnie Locsin. Inupo sila, doon lumaki yung abante.
Well, biglang natigil yung momentum ng Ginebra San Miguel. Back in the first half, lumamang ang Ginebra ng 12 points. And Hizon and Locsin combined for 19 points in the first half alone. But here in the second half, they have hardly been a presence.
In fact, in the third quarter, mga kaibigan, Ginebra, or rather San Miguel Beer, got 12 points from the free throw line. At yun po ang nagbigay ng abante sa kanilang panig. Yan
Well,
po ang
malaking
mga,
bagay.
yan ang mga numero ni Lamont Struthers. What a big night for him.
Well, also for San Miguel Beer, this is going to be something to to look forward to on Friday. Baka makabalik na si Samboy Lim.
Yes.
So that will be another headache for Ginebra San Miguel. San Miguel proving that they can beat Ginebra without Samboy. Ano pa kaya if Samboy Lim is able to suit up for Friday's Game 2 in the best of 5 semis?
Only 1.5 seconds remaining at ang San Miguel Beer fans ang patuloy na nananatili dito sa loob ng Cuneta Astrodome. Bagamat pasado alas 10:30 na. Well, it's really a big win for them. Pintis ang huling tira, but that's all academic. Nagwagi po ang San Miguel Beer sa kanilang unang laro dito sa serye sa semifinals. Final score natin 94 ang San Miguel Beer, 88 ang Ginebra San Miguel, and San Miguel Beer takes a 1-0 lead dito sa kanilang semifinal series. Kami po ibabalik din ginito para sa ating Gilby's Choice Player at ang ating Grand Air Sky High Shot of the Game makalipas ang ilang paalala. Yan po ang ating final score dito sa ating laro ng San Miguel Beer at Ginebra San Miguel. Nagwagi ang San Miguel Beer by 6, 94-88. At kinito itong larong ito was really a game of streaks ng San Miguel Beer na mayani dun sa isang departamento na hindi dapat silang manalo, yung rebounding.
Totoo yan. San Miguel Beer certainly getting the job done off the boards. At saka talking about getting the job done, si Lamont Strodes, mga kaibigan, completely dominating his matchup with Fred Cofield. Cofield only with 3 rebounds and 24 points. And Strodes amassing astronomical figures. Kanya po siya ang ating Gilby's Choice Player of the Game with 41 points, 22 big rebounds, only 3 assists. And take a look at his free throws, 15 out of 19.
Isa pang area yan kung bakit nanalo ang San Miguel yung free throw shooting. Ating pong Grand Air Sky High Shot of the Game. Well, tiga Ginebra naman. Si Vince Hison, maraming ginawa nung first half. Ito yung isa sa mga dakdak niya, pero tapos na ang laro nung ginawa niya to. At si Vince Hison ang ating Grand Air Sky High Shot of the Game. Obviously, a lot of adjustments para sa Ginebra San Miguel at sa San Miguel Beer na rin.
Sa tingin ko, adjustments on both sides. San Miguel Beer also gave up the first half to Ginebra San Miguel, but Ginebra San Miguel just couldn't get its game going in the second half.
Well, tandaan po natin ang ating just a complete result of today's ball games. Nagwagi po ang Alaska Milk laban sa Formula Shell 102 to 83. Sa Biyernes po ang ating mga laro nagaganapin sa Araneta Coliseum. Samahan niyo po si Randy Sacdalan at si Rado de Malibot sa ating first game. San Miguel Beer and Ginebra San Miguel in Game 2 of their own series. Samantalang ang ating second ball games, Formula Shell laban sa Alaska Milk. Formula Shell trying to bounce back, si Chino Trinidad at si Coach Xiang Giao ang inyong mga kasama. Tinito, parting shot.
Well, going to be a very, very exciting series, mga kaibigan. San Miguel Beer drawing first blood in the best of 5 semis, pero mahaba pa to for Ginebra San Miguel. A lot of adjustments have to be done, and for San Miguel Beer, well, Samboy Lim might be back on Friday.
Mahaba pa rin po ang aksyon dito sa VTV on IBC. Susunod na po after this ang ating Super Bouts, ang laban ni Marvelous Marvin Hagler laban kay Roberto Duran para sa Middleweight Championship of the World. Well, kung hindi ka pagod, ako pagod, partner. At talaga namang
Pagod na rin ako.
grabe itong larong ito. Patuloy po kayong sumubaybay sa aming mga laro dito sa Governor's Cup semi-final round. Pangalan po ni Kinito Henson. Ako po si Noli Ayala. Nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. So long, everyone.